How to make a Wix website for art. Follow these steps. Go to Wix.com and sign up for an account. Click Create a new site and choose Art and Design or Portfolio and CV as your category. Pick a template that fits your art style. Customize the design by changing colors, fonts, and layouts. Upload high-quality images of your artwork to create galleries. Add important pages like About, Gallery, Shop, If Selling, and Contact. Connect social media links and add a blog if you want to share updates. Optimize SEO settings to help people find your website on Google. Check and adjust the mobile version for a responsive design. Click Publish and share your site with the world. Thanks for watching.